Ecovacs has recently launched the gem of robotic vacuum cleaners. It is Ecovacs Deboot T20 Omni. It has some fantastic features. It has features like auto emptying bin, mopping pads auto cleaning, hot water mop washing, mopping pads auto drying, sweeping and excellent mopping capabilities, auto lift of mopping plates when a carpet is detected, true detect 3D obstacle avoidance, LiDAR based navigation, and very powerful 6000 PA suction power. This product, the Ecovacs Deboot T20 Omni, can save maps up to 3 floors. And the best part is it has voice command feature. You can interact with the robot like you are interacting with a human. Hello, Eco.
I'm here.
Start cleaning now.
Okay, start cleaning.
Please do.
Bedtime, buddy Holly. Okay, Eco, return to the station.
Okay, return to the station.
And I really don't mind waiting as long as it takes you.
It is worth considering this product seeing its brilliant and intelligent features. Its price is 89,000 with so many intelligent features and with such an impressive price, it's kinda hard to beat it in the premium category robots.